Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to start your new lesson. That is the chapter is known as gravitation. So we are going to chapter gravitation. You open the chapter 10, okay, on page number 141. Now we are going to the chapter gravitation. Since we are having the new chapter, what is the gravitation? Here you see, whenever suppose we are taking one stone and threw it upward direction, and after some time that the stone has to come down into the earth. So first we have to know about this, why this comes to the earth, and that is only because of the gravitation. When you are pulling something, that is when you are pushing something to the upward direction, during that time only what happened, that is the upward, that is the gravitational force of attraction, that is attract toward the particular thing. And that is totally invented by one of the renowned scientists in the world, that is called Newton's law of gravitation. Okay, so this is know about the gravitation. So we know that the moon goes around Earth. We know the moon also, that the moon also go around the sun, moves around the sun, isn't it? The moon. So why it is moves around the Earth? That is because of only by the gravitational force of attraction between the two bodies, between the Earth and the moon. An object when thrown upwards, already have told you, reaches a certain height, isn't it? Whenever we throw an object to the upward direction, it reaches to the certain height and then falls downward motion, only because of the gravitational force of attraction, isn't it? And it was said by when Newton was sitting under a tree, at the time an apple flew, that is fall down from a tree. Okay, during that time he was, then apple dust in the tree, and after some time he saw the apples fall down the tree. At that time he saw, that is what is about the laws, what is about this, that is the apple is tree, that is fall down into the ground. Then he thought about the matter, and after that he concluded about the matter, that is naturally there is a force of attraction between the earth and the other objects in our universe, and that is the force of attraction is said to be the gravitational force of attraction. In our earth also, each and everybody are attracted by gravitational force of attraction by the earth, isn't it? And that is known as gravitational force of attraction. Whenever we pull something, that is we move something into the upward direction, and it reaches some of the heights, maintaining some of the heights, but after some time again it falls down to the earth, only because of same law, that is gravitational force of attraction. Okay, so this is up to that part. I know I described today about the gravitational force of attraction. Next day, that is on Saturday, I have detail you what is the universal law of gravitation. What is the universal law of gravitation? And for this reason, you have to know the mathematical deduction of that particular law. Okay, so today after that part, so you know about the gravitational force of attraction when somebody is going upward, maintaining some height, and after that sometimes it falls to the ground. So that is know about the Newton's law of gravitation. And what is the universal law of gravitation? That is we detail you in the next week, all right, on Saturday also. Okay, today after that part we are coming with a new class by next week.